Gagi, ang creepy. Ikaw na wala. Uy, puta na.
Mario!
What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. At ngayon ay magkaroon naman tayo ng panibagong horror game na naman sa aking channel. At yun, at yun ay ano gawin natin ngayon is new game. New home. So guys, new home yun, new home horror game. So, bago tayo magsimula sa new home na to, siguro ako naka-like, subscribe, and click notification bell para kayo handa sa panibagong mga in-upload na video. Ano yun? Ano narinig ko? May kumakain ah. So, huwag na tayo magpatupig-tupig na, mag-play na tayo. Was it even there? It must have been. Otherwise, I've been only going crazy. Ano gani? Kala ko ano. Uh. Huwag natin magdakad. Okay. Patas na tayo. Ano? Ano to? Ano yan? Taga. Kala ko ano.
Around 6 o'clock this morning, the body of a 6-year-old kid has been found lifeless in the main street of a neighborhood in Ontario. The people around the scene have reported to have heard a very loud noise of a car passing by that probably hit the boy but didn't stop to help, causing his horrible death. The boy's name was David, and his parents said that he liked playing with a ball outside early in the morning every day. He was a kid full of life, and it's a real shame that he had died this way at a very young age. The police is trying to get as much information as possible so they can catch the murderer of the child and make him pay for his crime.
Ano mo gago? Di mo po view. Ang sweet gago. God, my head is spinning so much. I think I need to go to bed. Blood ako. Decided to up to likes. Kala. Gusto ko na naman, ano? Space up all the light and to the sleep. Light up. Okay. Di ko kaya ko na. Wait, ako din naman. Grabe yung ano, pagbato ng TV. Masaya ka na ng TV. Tapos, another one. Dito naman. Hindi, bobo. Ba't biyatay? Tatuloy makita. Tatuloy makita. Huwag mo na patayin. Wala akong makita. Ano dito the bathroom? Ito, basan to? Okay, wala. Ah, sige. Okay, patayin natin 'to. Kita naman natin, 'di ba? Okay, pagalitan natin 'to. Wala talaga ako makita. Paano yun? May plastic ba tayo? Yan lang. Papalitan natin dito lang. Ganyan. Diretso tayo, di ba? Diretso lang tayo. Sige, manghuhula tayo. Kasi ang dilim na ako makita.
Hindi may charge. Yeah.
Kaya pa siya doon, bagal. Ang hirap pumontol. Okay, hula tayo.
Yan ako yung yeah. Wala ko yung ano mo?
Diyan! O, saan na tayo? Saan na naman tayo? Saan natin? Nightmare. Sige. Okay. Malapit na tayo ng palapit. Sige, lapit, lapit. Almost there. Ay, putang ina mo, behind you. Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. Huwag mo ako abulin. Hoy! Putang ina mo, gago. Gagi, ang creepy. Ay, gago na wala. Hoy, putang ina mo, gago. It was just a stupid dream. Oo nga. Meron nga sa'yo mahabol. Meron din sa'yo mahabol. What was that? Tignan mo natin. Siyempre buksan natin yung, yung dump natin. Ito. Hindi po montol. Uy, may nahulog na serial ata yan. Uy, idea. Hello. What are you doing? Eat all my cereal. Yeah, better if you have something nutrition to eat. Open the fridge. Ah. You're so cute. You're fine now. Thank you for giving me some company. I feel so lonely, and your presence is already comforting me. What a name should I give you? Ano kaya? Ano kaya? Yan to eh. Tawag, ay di. Tawag, di. Okay. Yeah, Mickey na lang. Mickey. Yes. Mickey. From now on, your name will be Mickey. Para ano, that you like That is Mickey. Welcome to your new house. New home. Ano yun sa yun? Ding! Ang cute. Hi! Hi! Here we go. Okay na. Tabuli mo. Ang cute, gagi. Gagi. Makain kami ng ano. Tapos bato mo sa kanya, no? Cute. Mo, dinate pa. Alam ko na ano neto. Yung uli neto. Hindi yung paligid. Dalawa din yung ano, yung sa day. Saan yung yun, no? Ah. Ay, ganun. Nabato ko lang sa sanity. Ay, gago! Hello! Sabi na guys eh. Lahat nagdaan mo na. Ano yun? You did this. Ano ginawa ko? Issue ko. Wala naman ako kasalanan. You kill him. Kung mo binibintang, you made him suffer. You cause so much pain. Kill yourself. Shoot yourself. Oh my god. Ano yan? Orb. Then, ayun. May tao ba doon? Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo guys ha. No. Parang may tao doon, no? Oo nga, may tao nga. Ay, wala naman ako! Ina mo! Ayop! Ang sakit! Ay, gabi naman neto. Puntang ina, sakit sa ano. Woo! Ano to? Oh. I miss you, Mickey. Wait. Ano yun? Ito, wait lang. I can keep living each day, knowing the horrible thing I have done. Running over that little boy and struggling to save him. His ugly death is eating away my soul more, and more with each passing day. I'm a coward and I will always be, no matter what. I hate myself and I have no one anymore that keeps me from living this horrible life. Open the door. Wait. Ang gawin natin sa bawel.
Hey, open the door. We know it's you.
Oh, ano yun? Oh, wait lang. Pull the trigger, open the door. The trigger, dito natin. Maybe it's not true what they say. Sometimes things really become possible if we want to them bad enough. So thank you, Mickey. Wait lang. Kung sabihin pa ko, mapapamatay ka for being the best friend that I could have possible imagine. Oh, wait. Oh, new home. Man, ang ganda ng storya. Dami mong ginawa sa alaga tapos namatay lang sa huli. Sakit ng ano? Nagulat ako na sa ano, sa gitna ng ano. And, so guys, dito lang po magtatapos ang aking video. And sana na-enjoy nyo to. At mag-iwan kayo ng like, and hit nyo na yung subscribe. And huwag nyo din kalimutan yung pitin yung notification bell para lagi kang handa ng mga panibagong video. So, guys, wawa yung Mickey. Ang daga. So, ingat guys.